Selamat sejahtera. My name is Liu Kai. Number matric is AP210281. This video, I will explain what is bioprinting. Bioprinting is 3D printer. Bioprinting is a cutting-edge technology that combines 3D printing technique with biology and tissue engineering principles to create three-dimensional structure using live cell, biomaterial, and other bioactive components. Bioprinting will process the biological material in a layer-by-layer fashion to fabricate living. The process of bioprinting typically starts with the acquisition of a digital model or blueprint of the desired structure. This model guides the bioprinter to deposit bio ink, which are composite of living cells and bioactive material in a predetermined pattern. The bio-ink serves as the building blocks that are assembled to create complex tissue structure. Bioprinting technique utilizes specialist bioprinter that can handle living cells and biomaterial with high precision. This bioprinter often employ virus printing methods including extrusion-based, inkjet-based, and laser-assisted approach to deposit the bio-ink onto a substrate or scaffold. The scaffold provides structural support and can be made of biocompatible material that mimic the natural environment of the cell. Let me share a video the process bioprinting. Moreover, bioprinting has been used to create live tissue contrast by printing hepatitis live cell and other supporting cells in a specific arrangement. Researchers and recreate live tissue-like structures that can be used for drug metabolism study, disease modeling, and toxicology testing. Additionally, bioprinting has been employed in the development of organoids. This is the example the product made from bioprinting. The example is tissue and organ models. Bioprinting has been used to create three-dimensional tissue and organ models for research purposes. These models can mimic the structure and function of specific tissue and organ, providing a platform for studying disease mechanisms, drug testing, and personalized medicine.
Hi and thank you for watching my video presentation about what is bioprinting. Thank you.